We are going to quickly look at the sled drag. This is a great exercise for developing those quad muscles, especially if you've got some dodgy knees that need a bit of strengthening. This is one way to do it. So what we want to do, we want to attach some straps to the sled. Now we use a suspension trainer to clip the carabiner onto one of the eyelets. Once you have set your straps and given them a little bit of length, don't make them too long, otherwise you'll hit the other end of the track before you're actually at the end. Likewise, if you're too short, your feet will interfere with the sled itself. Other than that, what we want to do is hold your straps, brace those shoulders, keep your arms straight, lean back, and begin to step and push. Make sure the leg goes full extension before you take your next step. And just as a little tip, breathe out every time you step. And like with all sled movements, if you want to make it a bit harder, drop on some weight onto the center pole.